Ethan Vanacore-Decker uses his speed. This is how he got his goal against Fort Lauderdale in the midweek. Sends it in front. Conway's robbed by Jara. By Pablo Jara. Incredible. Pass though at the back. Turned over. Ellie Velton gets it to Dennis. Running on the right side. And taking the shot that is saved by Jara.
Stepping up the field. Plays it out wide. Bulldog fires. Stopped initially by Jara. He gets back on it. Look at himself. Got the opening against Mo.
You can build up play to find Hernandez. Bonilla. Hernandez. Hernandez! And it's saved by Jara out for a corner. They get a set piece opportunity. It started with Cirillo, Bonilla, and Hernandez linking up. You should take a look at the Advocare replay. Hernandez got the